Hey fam, the word of encouragement for today is to do what is right and just is more acceptable to the Lord than sacrifice. What's up fam, it's your girl Shareen Nicole and I am back with another video. Yes honey, so in this video I wanted to bring you something a little different today. So what I have here is in collaboration with a company named ASOKO. I will definitely leave their links down below, but this is under cabinet lighting. So when I first got this I was a little skeptical and I was like LED lights, I was like I feel like it's not going to be bright enough. So I wanted to start this video off backwards to show you guys how bright this thing is, because look at this. Like, you can change the temperature of the lighting right here. I'm showing you that, and also I will show you how it gets bright with the touch of a fingertip, honey. Look at that. And the other one is actually under my cabinet right now. So right here I'm just going to show you that it's a motion censored. Check that out. Like, yes. Look at this. Just walk in the kitchen. It turns right on. You gotta love it. Like, what? I was super excited about that. And I was like, let me bring this to you guys. So right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the rest of this video. Okay, fam. So now that I showed you a little demonstration of what this light can do, I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys the box and show you that it's LED lighting. It's under cabinet lighting motion sensors. And like I said, the company name is ASOKO. It comes with a USB charger. It also comes with magnetic, how would you call that? The pieces that actually adhere to your cabinet. And then it's also dimmable, of course. And you've got 5 light colors. It's also motion sensors. So you guys already seen that. And I was like so excited. I was like, let me put this in the front of the video. Because I was like, you guys have to see this. So those were the magnets that you stick up under your cabinet. It's 3M tape. So you just plop that up under there. Now what I will say is I kind of did that a little backwards. So I'm going to tell you how you actually want to go ahead and stick this under your cabinet. The smart way would be to stick the magnets to your LED lights and then go ahead and place the 3M tape underneath the cabinets. You understand what I'm saying? I kind of did it backwards where I placed the 3M tape up under my cabinetry as opposed to putting it on there like that and then sticking it up there. So you live and you learn, right? I was a little backwards, but that's okay. So that's what we're gonna do here. I'm just gonna go ahead and get these lights up under this cabinet. Before we do that, I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys the controls on the lighting. You have off, you have auto, and then you have on. So that's what I'm just demonstrating right here. I'm also demonstrating that little bulb right there is probably the motion sensor part of the lamp. So I thought that was pretty cool. Like, I'm just playing with these lights because I'm like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. But now here you can see the 5 variation light colors that they have available. So you've got like soft white, you've got like the yellow white, you know, like your regular light bulbs that you put in your house and stuff like that. Stark white, I guess you can call that. And yeah, just a blend of colors and varieties. So I thought this was really cool. Like, and I was like, yeah, I'm definitely going to bring this to my people because I was like, y'all need to be up on this game. Like, it was so amazing how bright it got in the kitchen. And I really needed that because at nighttime, your girl be tripping over some things, okay? So I was like, let me bring this to you and hopefully you guys like this. If you want to pick one of these up, I will definitely leave the links down below. This is super, super cool. And I really like the fact that you can just unhook it from your cabinet when you're ready. Go ahead and plug that USB port in and charge it. Like, it's just that simple. And then plop it right back up under your kitchen cabinet. So let's go ahead and get right in. All right, fam. So right here, we're just going to go ahead and remove that 3M sticky tape. Stick it right up under the cabinet. Like I said, was backwards. So what you want to do is definitely put the magnets onto the light. Then remove the 3M tape and stick it up under the cabinet. That way it is not backwards, sideways, crooked. It's just straight on. But you live and you learn. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And that's pretty much how you install the lights. So go ahead and pick you guys up some. And I will see you guys in my next video.